This neckline looks complicated, but it is very simple to achieve. In this video, I'll show you how to do that. So first thing, I want to mark the neck, the basic neck depth, which is the neck deepness. Then I'll move to mark 6 to 7 inches depending on how deep you want yours to be. Then from this point to the starting line is the overlapping. This point I'm marking now is the overlapping between the right side of the front and the left side. After that, I want to mark from that first neck depth, which is about 3.5 inches, slantly inward like this before getting to the chest line. Then I'll stop. Then I want to connect from that point upward for the collar. So this is it. This is the marking. I'm marking upward. Then I'm going to take it from the neck width upward again. So taking it upward from the neck width so as to get the collar for the back. I'll extend it again by an inch just like this. Then I can cut. We are done with this neckline. Everything, once you cut it out just like this, you have the neckline achieved. So just watch how I'm going to transform this into the same neckline you are seeing overlaid on this video. If you are just seeing my video for the first time, please subscribe to this channel so you can see more interesting illustrations like this. So in this channel, I make quick illustration. I don't intend to waste your time, so I make quick illustration so you can understand fast without wasting much of your time. And that is why you can see this video is very short and straightforward. So once you cut it this way, we are cutting both sides of the front together, both the right hand side and the left hand side together. So once you cut it this way, you're going to just turn it around, turn this place I cut, turn it with the same fabric. Then you can then fold the lapel, which is this point, fold this area also. Then you're going to have it like this. You can see that side that goes upward will serve as the collar for the back. It will go around the back neckline. So we have the front to be like this, and the back collar will go around the back neckline like this, just like this. And the other side also will go and meet themselves. Then you join it at the back, sew it to the back, join them together, then you sew it to the back neckline. So don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and subscribe to this channel to see more simple and straightforward illustrations like this.